Sorry, hello, welcome back. Come back to another Coding Notes Every Day Until I Get a Job. This is day 163. We're talking about JavaScript dates today. Sorry, long intro, but January, February, March, January, February, March, April, May. So it's gonna be May. How would you create a date object for that? So I think it would be, it was need to be a string, right? Oh no, okay. Nice, nice. Looks pretty good. Pretty accurate. Nice. I forgot what other um, oh, okay, just the string. How do we make it so that do you just parse it manually? I think there is a local date string, right? Okay, to local date string. Okay, yeah, yeah. It's true, but why does the local... Okay, I guess it doesn't really show that for the USA, so I'm not entirely sure. I guess it's because of the options, right? I shouldn't maybe own no option without option. Nice choice. So I think const formatted to locale string to locale date string, but it's USA. What about you? I love ice cream plus cookies. Sorry. I don't know if this will work. Yes, sir. Okay. Maybe it will work, maybe it won't. We'll see. Or I could just do... Wait, how do you use the to locale string? Sorry, I need the... What's the US code for that? It's ENUS? Okay. Like this? I don't know if that would work or not. We can give that a try. After this, we'll see how that goes. You should log the value of current date format. Okay, current date format already. We already logged them. You should create a function name ini and text and inner. Your format function should convert date to month, day, year. Month, day, year. Okay, no, okay, no, it's already correct because we need to return it to, okay, it's cons for method equals that, and then so we're gonna return string with a template literal mmddyy equals to formatted. Okay, you should create a function format date long should convert the current day to month, day, year format and return the string formatted. Okay, so it's gonna be const formatted as well equals to date dot. What is the is it to ISO? Is it to ISO? No, is it to locale date string but only the thing like this? Do you think FreeCode Camp is better for learning web dev, or you know any better option? FreeCode Camp looks like it's going to be super thorough through lesson.js. Yes, it is very thorough. That even they have very strict testing, so you gotta follow the rules. If not, yeah, just like me, just skip it. I think if you know Zero.js, then it's gonna just give you the practice you need. Agreed. And the most important is that it is free, and it's just such an amazing stuff. I forgot what the format that they do that. Um, um, um. Is it to string? Oh, it's just to string. Okay, it's just to string. But okay, let me test it first because it might be wrong. It might be wrong, and I need to do some string parsing. Okay, that's pretty accurate. Look at month, date, year. Okay, already it's working. So okay, the toString one, I'm not entirely sure though. Okay. We're going to need the month, day, month, month, day, comma, that. Okay, so okay, what is this type? Is it just gonna be object? Oh, it's a string, okay. Oh, okay, so we can slice them maybe? We're just going to grab the 0th to 0, 1, 2, because it's just gonna be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, okay. It's just gonna slice from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's gonna slice until 14. 0 and 14, I think it would be nice. So what we can do is format it to date string, and we're just gonna return like this to formatted date, month, day, comma, here equals to, ooh, okay, no. I think it's better to just do this cons um, month day equals to formatted dot slice comma 16, I think, so that it's going to be, this one is going to be month. I think I'm gonna need to fix some of the thing I forgot. It's gonna be, I think, 17 to, I don't know, I'm not sure, like 22. I think it's going to be wrong. Sorry, no, cons here, it's gonna be formatted dot slice 17. It's probably gonna be wrong, but I want to see and just test it out. See if that works. What does it show right now? Okay, let's do console log format date long. Oh, sorry, it has to be a string. My bad, my bad. Ah, okay. So we got the monthly is already correct then. So probably not 16 then. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is too much. Wait, is it inclusive? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Ah, okay. So it's supposed to be 10, 10 hier. Und dann für diese ist 11, 12, 13, 14, 11 bis 15. Dann ist das schon richtig. Nee? Was? Hä? Was? Ist das schon richtig, oder? Was? Was ist das Problem? Ah, September. Month, day, September 2017. Okay, okay. Sorry, sorry. Why are you not learning from YouTube or bootcamp? Well, technically. Well, hello, hello. I really like this format. To understand and how it works. For me, it's just, I don't know, I feel like I understand the thing better if I actually do it. I tried like following one of those like 4 hours, 5 hours tutorials. I end up getting confused in like 2 hour mark because, for example, the tutorial, even though the tutorial was probably like 5, 6 months old, the current version of that tech stack or library suddenly already changed, and then like, oh shit, this is different now. What should I do? Since because everything constantly changes. So, but yeah, I did not learn from YouTube, but I did learn from YouTube. I still watch some YouTube, especially if I didn't get any like if I didn't get the concept, I would just go to YouTube and see what is wrong with that. Or like what type of problem that I didn't understand quite yet. I would find a tutorial or like someone explaining it, and then I would try to do that as well. So I'm technically still learning on using YouTube as well. It's just that this is one of the main thing because it has a question practice, it has like problems, it has like tests built in, and it has like the code editor here. We can see the result right away, we can see the feedback, things like that. I agree, but especially with LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, where they could point our question right away. And that's why I'm using it. Like for example, here I'm using the Google AI mode to bring summary, and the good thing is they have like a citation to the source material of the documentation, so it is pretty good, pretty fun. But I still sometimes go to the documentation because sometimes it's just there, like here through MDN, like it's just there. Even like if you've been watching, I go to Stack Overflow, which thought to be dead, but I'm still using it and finding answers that I'm looking for, so it's still very nice. So it's not that I'm only doing the free code camp part. I also watch some videos. I use AI. I use the dogs. Using everything. Something is blocking my internet today. Okay, that's actually pretty good. That's a pretty good idea. So I think we're just gonna use the local data string again, but we're going to need to parse. What's your country market look like for days of tech industry? In Indonesia, from what I saw, at least, um, yes, very, very. Indonesia is like that. sorry, we forgot to make options. Wait, yeah, let me open this. That's why I'm confused what's wrong. We forgot to add the second parameter, which is options. So, okay. I don't know, should we do this inside? Okay, let's redo it from scratch. Ow, my ears starting to hurt. Oh, there we go. Okay, nice. So we just need to grab that. We're gonna do date to locale date string like enus that takes options. Yeah. And I think we're just gonna parse using slice. I know it's probably not good. Like it's probably too much. I could make it more clever, but for easier readability for me, let's just make it easier. Sorry. I am exhausted. Let's see, how can we do this? Cons. So it's gonna be like that. 39. Okay, so we just want to grab the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we just want to grab the 7 until the end. So that's just what we want from the 7th, because it's already correct. We just need to parse them. Cons let's do parsed, I guess. It's formatted. Dot slice and then 7. And it's just gonna return like that. Formatted date, month, date, comma, year, and it's gonna be parsed. There we go. That should work. Still not working. Why? Isn't it not working? Okay. Huh? Oh god, okay. Okay, it's already correct, but what did I do wrong? I don't understand what is wrong. It's already correct. What is wrong? It's already correct. Formatted date, month, day, comma, year equals to September 7th, 2020. It's already correct. What do you mean? What do you what? It's correct. Month, day, September 20. It's already the same. What the fuck? Okay, it's doing this to us again. Where the test doesn't it's correct, right? There's no way I'm not seeing any difference. Did I miss a space or something like that? No, right? What the Ooh, hello. Scikit-learn. I haven't touched Scikit-learn in a while because this is more like machine learning stuff, right? I haven't done machine learning stuff in a while, so I'm not entirely sure. I don't know, to be honest. Um, what are you currently like studying, or like what is it do you want to learn, or what type of um machine learning stuff that you want to do, or yeah, because I'm not gonna lie, it's been a while since I do machine learning stuff. So my friend is learning AI and machine learning. He would be a much better person that could answer it. Like, what do you want to do? Or like, yeah, because to be honest, for me, it's been a while since I was doing any of the machine learning stuff. I think I use, do I use scikit-learn for that? Oh no, I use matplotlib, but it was for like making charts and making things like that for my thesis, and it wasn't really doing any machine learning stuff or any machine learning algorithm. Yeah, I don't know why this doesn't accept the test again. It was already correct. It was already correct. I don't know why it doesn't work. I want to try to run it locally and see if that makes any difference. this is what they want, and we want to be able to, so we want to be able to print this formatted date, blah, 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 which it's already correct. So let's just do date conversion. Formatted date is month, day, comma, year, September 27, 2024. It already correct, but it didn't pass the test again. Okay, never mind then. Date now is the current, get date is only gonna return the date, get month return the month, but the number, it index 0, so January is 0. Get full year is getting the year, and we have the ISO string, which is the ISO 8601 for like the UTC millisecond 1970 something, and then local date string. Just gonna make it into this, which is, so the format is month, date, and year. To locale that string, where we could give another second option, object. Okay, cool, nice. Let's do the quiz. What is the JavaScript date object used for? Work with just time only, work with sleep year, work with state, work with both dates and time. Create the new object instance, the new date. How do date time works? It returns the current time in nanoseconds since... Is it mini or milli? You know, let's try. It's not gonna lie, I forgot. So I think it's millisecond. Since January 1st, 1970, the current year is get full year. Yeah. It's gonna be the 2022 only. Of range locale. Is there any like locale type string? Oh, there is to locale type string. Okay. Oh yeah, it's just gonna do that. Okay. To locale type string. To ISO string method return. To ISO string. ISO 8601. Oh, the format, it is the one that ends with Z. Yeah, year, month, date, tile. The one that was okay. What is it different? Is this the ss.sss or just ss? I think it's ss.sss. Yeah. What's the corresponding month? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Is it August? No. January, February, March, March, April, May. Enggak, January, February, Maret, April, May, June, July. So it's July. January, February, Maret, April, May, June, July. July. January, February, Maret, April, May, June, July. A data call specific string or a readable format to local string, local date string. To local date string, I would assume. It's better. What is default locale used by and method if locale's parameter is provided? To be honest, I don't know. When the default locale, what is the default locale method if no locales? The user system locale? The current date and time is February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So it's gonna be 9. And this is going to be 2, is it 2 ISO? 2 ISO, 2 ISO? With the Z is 2 ISO, right? Yes. Nice. Cool. I don't know why this doesn't work. It's totally nice, you know? Okay. I think let's just do a few of the theory for the working with audio and events. I think this is a very different type of audio and not just an audio file, I think. But yeah, here we go. Okay, the adjacent object has the MIME. Okay, even Windows still has a MIME application protocol. It's to get the it's to match the zeroth index. MIME type or multi-purpose internet mail extension. Okay, so this is all the things that we usually see as an attribute in the HTML element. Huh. Types, but is also some. What is types? Wow, okay. The codex is interesting. I mean, I've seen it before in like Premiere Pro and stuff, but I mean, like, in terms of a web, I guess this is what I should be diving more depth into. This content type thing is pretty important for dev, by the way. Just make sure you understand it's there in every. Yeah, yeah. Roger that. Like, that's why I always see them in like making APIs or like in like headers or info about content type. Yeah, okay. Because I was thinking of I don't know. I have an idea of making like a cloud, not really like cloud, but I mean like there's this problem that I have when I was doing like freelance work. Sometimes you give a photo or give a videos, a lot of videos or multiple videos or photos sent to customer, sent to like the client, but then the client would need to like to pick one or two, or they pick like 10, 15, 20, something like that, but they need to select them one by one to Google Drive, write on the file name, and then like I need to select them. So I think in some distant future, if I have the knowledge and capacity, I would likely to make something like that where it would be easier for me when I freelance photo or video that could help the client pick the photo that they want. Okay, I don't quite can imagine how would we use all of this. Maybe in the lab or tests, we could see how all of this works. Seems like you're talking about file type simplified. File type is for your OS, while content type is for browser. Ah, okay, okay. Roger that. Like, so that's why, yeah, on like API headers, there's always like content type, right? Oh shit, no, that's what I want. For example, let's see if we can get any from here. I don't think so, but whoa, I think this is using like socket, something like that. That's why it's like keep getting and asking here, right? Content type. There we go. Let's see if it change. Log pretty too. Okay. Oh, okay. That counts as a post then for the message that I write, right? What's the payload? Ah, long pooling. Okay. So it's just gonna like constantly getting requests every few seconds to check for that. Long pooling. Okay. Wow, this is okay. This is such an intense JSON. Long pooling. Got it. Okay, back to this. Okay. Get user media. A promise. There's three main techniques for HTTP. One, HTTP 1.1 and 1.2. Socket bloat, servers, and event long pooling. Oh, okay. Servers and long pooling, yeah. What's the issue, man? You got it here. Okay, I'm just practicing. And so here it's just still a material about like audio and video APIs. So we haven't done any practice yet. So yeah, no problem yet. It's still under theory. Plum point is the easiest to implement. Basically update every X second. Standardized way. Server send event. Is it like the okay? Is it like the regular like okay, I don't know. Plum pooling. Oh god, it's 46. Let's just continue the spam filter from the regex. What? Didn't save it? I think I have the... You... A high-level thinker. Yeah, that's what we want to do. Oh, I'm currently doing a lot of things. So my current project is to make driver kernel that allows reading and writing to any physical memory. Nice. Try this space share before dollars also. Oh god, sorry. That one's already working, sorry. Now is the character class one. What is it? Is it this one? Right? Huh, okay. Is it like that, or is it not supposed to be like that? Yeah, that one's already correct. This one is the next problem. Hmm. Okay. So how can we do that? We already do that. Free money, but it's still wrong. Oh, okay. So it's already correct. Okay. Maybe we need both of that. Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you. Now update all characters image. Ah, okay. It's similar. Then it's gonna be this or that. Okay, nice. Your radio should match the whole words, not partial word. That is, you do not want to match. Hence, free money management. To do this, start by checking for spaces before and after pattern. You can do this by using the /s, which will be matched. No. Is it like this again? So it's gonna be like that. Yeah, okay. Hmm? Oh, okay. So that this okay, yeah, I remember. This is called capturing groups, but the previous one is called character class. Okay, sorry. I already forgot about it. Okay, so it's supposed to be either the caret or the forward slash s. Okay, that is also wrong. Huh. That is not good, is it? Oh, yeah, sorry. So stupid. We still need that one. Yep, we got that right. Thank you so much. Okay. Match S and T to match 5 and 7. Okay. Oh god, my back hurts so much. Previously you have 27. After using regex, now you have 28. Is it a joke or is it? Okay, add and 4. Oops. Oh my god. Okay, this is gonna be fun. So we need to make that, and C is going to be match C, the curly braces, the bracket, as well as the straight. I forgot their name, to be honest. Nice. Finally, allow your regex to match whole words like you did in free regex. So I guess we just need to grab this, take the N and grab this, do the start. There we go. Nice. Your final regular expression will look for strings like dear friend. So once dear regex equals to dear friend, case sensitive, and we're gonna add it to the deny list. Dear regex. Here we go. To put everything you have learned, update your regex to map the vowels to the corresponding numbers. Note that I should match 1 and also match the pipe symbol and to match whole words. Okay, map the vowels to corresponding number. So it's gonna be, for E, it's gonna be 3. For A, it's gonna be A at and 4. For I, it's going to be I1 and the bracket to match whole words. What does the whole match whole words? So I think we're gonna need to add this again. Craft a friend, 3, man. Yay, okay, nice. Okay, that finishes the workshop. Definitely gonna need to watch the docs, like read the docs when working with regex. I am not gonna remember any of that. I kind of get it now. Understandable. Okay, so I guess that's it for today. I think the first like 10 minutes I was washing the dishes, so I already hit record, but then I was, yeah, so there's still a lot of labs that we skip because we want to like fast forward to a lot of the materials, but we did dates today. We did, for some reason the test doesn't work. That's a bummer. Okay, we haven't done form validation, but we can probably do that. We can probably do the local storage, maps and set, audio, and everything, things like that. I think we should be able to do it. And from there we could, ooh, okay. You need to meet the requirement. Got it. Okay. Oh damn. Okay, we need to make the requirement for everything then, if we want to make sure. Okay, wow. Okay, this is actually a bit complex, isn't it? Because we need to be able to match. Oh, if it's have the bracket, if it's matching this. Oh, okay, this is actually quite a good of a project, not gonna lie, but yeah. But then, okay, Leute, thank you very much. Dankeschön für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit. Und ja, ich hoffe, ich kann dieses Stream auch machen. Auch morgen auch machen. So, okay. Hope everyone have a great day. An awesome Monday. And thank you so much for the helps and tips. Oh, okay. This is gonna be fun. Or not. I don't know if I think I'm gonna do it. I'll probably just get like, oh, let's make some apps. Because I don't wanna do stuff. But I think we can do classes and some local storage, maps and set, because maps and set is very, very important. And from there, I think we can start on the I think I want to do. I think we can do the React. It's only like 200. We've already finished 400 for that, so React is good. Yeah, yeah, we can do that. We can do the React one. I think it would be fun, and I want to learn other stuff as well. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. Hope everyone have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Oh, we got one view or two views. That's cool. Okay. Wow, it's been 2 hours. Bye.